Question 10. Woman works in a restaurant. The table give her rates of pay. Monday to Friday, £8.40 an hour. Weekend, £11.20 per hour. Bronwyn works for a total of 20 hours last week. She worked 8 of these 12 hours at the weekend. So I'm going to put that here. Again, I'm using the information here. She's got 8 hours at the weekend. Okay, so if she's worked 20 hours altogether, that must mean that she had 12 hours on the Monday to Friday. Okay, so what's that cost going to be? So we can take that down. Let's take this one down here first. So that would be 8 times £11.20. And this one here, 12 times £8.40. Again, we've got our calculators. 8 times £11.20. Gives me £89.60. And 12 times £8.40. £100.80. Add those two together now. Gives me £196.40. Okay, so which is less than 200. Now that working is clear. I can see exactly what's going on there because I've counted the areas around there. So that communication should get me full marks there. Question 11. I'll get this one all on the screen there. Let's have a look. Last year, the cost of a season ticket for a football club was £560. Underline that. This year, the cost of the season for the club has increased to £600. Write down the increase of the cost of the season ticket as a fraction of last year's cost. Well, as with fractions, decimals and percentages, we do this all the time. What is the actual increase? The actual increase is 600 minus £560, or that's how much we've actually increased by, which is £40. And we always express this, it says, as a fraction of last year's cost. So we're going to do 40 over the original, which was 560. Now you could simplify this, but it hasn't asked you to simplify it. So that would be correct. But if I was to simplify it, you can put the fraction in your calculator. You can see this. There's no point taking chances really here now. We should know how to do this. But if you look at it, if I press equals, we get 1 over 14. But either of these would be accepted as the correct answer. Question 12.